Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a reveal from Pearl Bath Bombs. This is their new Hocus Pocus Coffin bath bomb, and they are individually wrapped in their own boxes, and they have some of those popping peanuts in it, but it still arrived in pretty rough shape. You cannot even tell that it says Hocus Pocus on it. It was cracked all the way around, and I didn't think it was going to hold shape, but it did. It is a massive bath bomb that smells like grape soda. And they released a couple new Halloween items, and against my better judgment, I did order them. Some of the other ones look a little rough too. Just have not had a good experience the past several times I've ordered stuff from Pearl Bath Bombs. They've came very damaged and broken and just not in good shape. But I did want to try out some of the Halloween stuff since it was new. This one is originally $19.95, but when I bought them, I think they were like 3 for $10 each, or maybe 3 for $33. So they were reduced. So I went ahead and got some of the Halloween ones. So I do have 2 or 3 more to show you. So this one was massive. It lasted a really long time in the bathtub, but the water at the end was pretty gross looking. It looked a little greenish on camera, which you'll see here in a bit, but it actually did turn completely brown. Whenever you get in there and kind of mix the colors up, it was not a pretty color. But it did look pretty cool in the tub with the green and the purple. I do have several more Halloween stuff. I should be able to get out before Halloween. And some more of the Disney products from Charmed Aroma. They finally released the Friends mug, little candle, which I think they've been teasing that one for months now. And there is a Hocus Pocus one as well that is on its way. So I will have a bunch of new stuff coming up here shortly. But at this point, there was a lot of the bath bombs still left, but I could see the ring container, so I just went ahead and broke it free. And here's where the water kind of looks green, but I can tell you it was brown. And inside, they put it in this massive bag, which I had never seen before. And it looks like there's only 2 different necklaces you can get. They're pictured on the website, and I got one that was pictured, so I think there's just 2. It's not sterling silver, but it is adjustable. And both of the ones that you get do have really pretty purple stones. And this one was rather big, pretty big pendant. And when I entered the code on their website, I received 100 Pearl points, which is pretty standard. It's just their rewards program, and you can redeem those points to get free bath bombs. So that's what I have for you today. If you'd like to see more from Pearl Bath Bombs, make sure you subscribe and stay tuned. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.